Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to collapse rows in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Smartsheet, you can continue with your Google, your Microsoft account, or Apple, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, collapsing rows in Smartsheet can be beneficial for a lot of reasons, including users to focus on a specific sections of a large sheet, reducing visual clutter and distractions. Now, this can improve concentration and productivity when working with complex data set. And collapsing rows help organize information, making it easier to navigate and understand the structure of the sheet. Users can collapse rows to group related tasks, data, or sections together, creating a more organized and intuitive layout. Now, while you are in your dashboard, you need to hover to the left side panel. Right here. Click on Home, and from here, just create New and name your sheet as How to Collapse your sheet, right? It's up to you. Now from here, say for example, we are going to put something here. We have a separate video on how to rename your columns, but namely just double click on that. And let's delete the other columns that we don't want. Right here. Okay, so once you're here, say for example, you put some data here. Or even in this side. Now for you to be able to collapse anything here on this row, all I have to do is just click on this one and hover to this effect. It says make selected row sub-items that can be expanded or collapsed. All right. Now, once you do that, what will happen is the entire row will collapse. And that means you have now the option to improve the performance of large sheets by reducing the amount of data that needs to be processed and displayed at once. Now, of course, this can result in faster loading times and smoother navigation, especially when working with complex sheets or slower devices or networks. Remember that the information is presented and accessed, leading to a more efficient and effective collaboration and decision making. Again, just select the row that you wanted to collapse and click on this option right here, indent. So you can make selected rows, sub-items can be expanded or collapsed. I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.